her trunk and gives her friends a cooling dunk. Elephants have great memories and talk with low rumbles in the breeze. Yellow monkey swings with grace from tree to tree. He loves to race. He peels bananas with his feet and finds a jungle food so sweet. Monkeys are clever and can use tools. They live in troops and follow rules. Purple parrot loves to talk. She mimics voices when you walk. Her feathers shine in jungle light, and she takes off in a colorful flight. Parrots can copy what you say. They use their beaks to climb and play. Green snake slithers smooth and fast through the leaves. He's never last. He hides so well you'll barely see. He's gentle too, don't worry, he's free. Snakes smell with their tongue, not nose, and shed their skin as each one grows. Red, blue, yellow, purple, green, smartest animals ever seen. Sing and learn with jungle friends. The fun and facts will never end.